to dance on. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Mr. C, I heard you whisper to me every night. Turn out the light. We can crawl into things on my own time. Now, don't know much about history. Don't know much about biology. Don't know much about science books. Don't know
What did they Marco? If you drive in a gray Chrysler 300, that park right at the entrance, you're blocking the thoroughway. Could you please find somewhere and park that car? This gray Chrysler 300. By the authority, you have to remove that car so we could, in case of emergency, please. Chrysler 300 gray. Please move. Are you that, General? All right, park straight or park good. Yeah, man. All right. Let go. Lennox, link up.
We have to get the plane down. ready. Hear me? What? Press one. Check 1, 2. Take it over. Yeah. Big up yourself, Hot Stepper. And one thing me have to tell you now, the sound them I play sweet. I want to big up all of the mothers them. You know, say happy Mother's Day to all of the ladies them, you know what I say? But right now, I 5 big sound at the building. You just listen to Hot Stepper. Earlier on, you listen to Sequence. Earlier on, you listen to True Vibes. And right now, you're going to tune into the original King Courage song from Morning. The scientists are there. Take it away. Check. Yo, massive. All of the crew. Yeah. The elders them is out in full force, so you can see it. I don't know, so we have to really show respect to all the big man them. I'm going to tell you, say, all we have one little song where Rainbow play from early. I don't the place right now, you know. Allow me to tell you, the Rainbow are going with the things of fire. But King Courage there now. So right now, Andrew Fresh, big up the status youth, drive in for the thing. Big up all the ladies them, when they come out and look beautiful. But want to know, say, on every woman, wherever youth is a good mother. I want to know what I'm talking about. But this one reaching out for all of the ladies them. When I want to bring the youth, I want to take good care of them. So, Andrew, Sciences, Slingshot, yo! And this time we have one. And a rush, you know. Where's the engineer? We're here now. them. Sequence.
It's gotta be night.
Show vibes.
It's a matter of time.
Let's go read that.
We got nothing to begin.
Let's just not say. They don't want to think double.
And we got nothing to be sorry for. It's one in a million eyes can see that we can fly way to the sky. I don't wanna hear you.
There are levels to this.
Every time I think of saying goodbye,
One of the greatest.
everything inside me says I. So I can, no one can, like no one can. No one can. Courage kill us soul and tell them goodbye.
Easy, 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 easy.
They're gonna say I can't, no I can't, no I can't. Encourage tell them
Come with me.
Station identification.
To the sea of love. I wanna tell you
Easy bongs, man.
how much I love you.
Pull up the park. A year to year events, you know.
Do you remember the time we met? That's the day. I know I won't forget. I wanna tell you how much I love you. Come
With
me
two.
to the sea.
Now, Joan, you cannot behave yourself.
Do you remember the time we met? That's the day I know I won't forget. Am I really hearing your love?
Working out.
Does it really to be? Like we're frozen in time.
Working hours.
You're the only one I could see. Hey, I've looked all my life for you. Now you're here. Hey, I've spent all my life with you. All my life. And I never really knew how to love. I just thought I said what I feel. That's what I found out. Said I ain't just got me. Hey, I've looked all my life for you.
We don't want you to feel no way. What you say, me?
Dance on
Here's some songs.
85
I said that one song, yeah. One of my favorite songs, them.
and the feeling is laid back
Station identification.
on the roll and you act like you know about King Courage sound. The sound is about to get dropped.
No disrespect.
That's the big killer sound on the waves. Nowadays a lot of beating sounds. Yeah.
Just a go and rock, man.
Courage sound is here to stay, and we suggest it's simple back and walk away. Woo-woo, this time we ain't in my shame.
Fresh. Tell them now.
Everything to you. You say you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart to believe. Maybe I'm breathing, but if you wanna leave, take good care.
Put some on the ground, man.
Things to wear, but there are a lot of nice things to get out there. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. You say you hurt.
Twin spin.
Cause they say I'm flirting, oh, you just can't take it anymore. They say I'm no good for you, but in my heart I'm so true. Father for life, we can't be sure. Rest me for some time to play goodbye.
Yo, scientists. The park full up.
Touch now,
I'll be a yard man there.
say,
Be an island man there. Island people.
my love keeps
So you know the thing. One drop it for me, the bossy.
head and life's always to be.
Are you ready?
This world of mine, I play rubber love all the time, and I think, this world of mine, I play rubber love all the time,
Oh, you mean? Go on to the look road.
it's all
A reggae music, a blast up in this. No matter where you come from. Hold on, them say no smoke it, no.
in my garden to keep and carry you,
But then the ganja man there.
to keep and carry you've got to water it. I've been traveling all over this world.
Ready, box.
I never seen a black rose in no other garden. So you see, my garden is so special. Black roses in my garden. Black roses in my garden.
You're the bad artist, you know.
She doesn't want me.
Wesa. What you mean, youths? What are you and the baby mother can't get along? Hear ya?
She doesn't want me around. She's got something.
Right.
I think she wants someone to take for a ride.
But baby girl, tell her this.
Telling her I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll.
The elders them out, you know.
He has to be taking
We can play a tune for me elders them.
and I know it's not my foolish pride.
What do you know about this? What do you know about this?
You will soon run around with him again. Oh, yeah.
I feel like we're new to this one.
Yes, when you say you will.
Sequence don't tell you, you know. Original sound is. Second generation.
Thought you were mine. He gave you that same smile. And while you running around, I don't know it's been left.
Yeah. Food, man. Give them some food, man. A full jam in time, you know.
How you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Finally, we can just mix up a record of mine like that and shine it down.
Resignation to the sound, now it's in big rock.
We don't make all this island.
Why you know this nigga jump on twist?
We will represent. Yo!
Sometimes it's hard.
Now go spoon round here.
Make it, believe you me. In order to achieve, go forth and take it. Set yourself free. The obstacles in your way, you may fall before you rise. But if you really want good, your nose up and run. So get up and keep your eyes on the prize. So as part of your plan, you feel have ambition, and the Almighty One has your foundation. Hey, nobody get rich and rich because that's definitely right. Remember, don't forget your friends and we
Big up Father Rainbow.
remember God now sleep. And although you're rubber man and you get well last week, rap a laugh out the seat, but your people going sleep because God is a silent river and you know everyone need. Throughout history, lots of great men and women. When about things the old-fashioned way, they just kept on winning and winning. So strive.
dub. We will play about 5 CD. They don't out here. Then we go back to us. Over the video. 20 minutes driving. 20. And I'll manage it.
Should I flirt around? Why should I feel Step aside now. Another man wants to take over. Cause you don't know what you got. So now it's time to be. Step aside now. Let me show you how to treat a woman. She needs a tender touch. She needs loving so much. But tell me how you're crazy, leaving her so alone, so lonely. Now she's a winner,
Yeah.
so you better protect
Yeah, man,
her.
stop that. Yo, you see right now still. Well, big up all of them, big up all of the women. Them. Yo, Sean, I know something they pick up at that. I said, you do your thing here, me out. Ladies, right now, we don't dash about 3 songs and dust out. Father does. I'll come in one son tune. Father does, I'm gonna just dash with couple. And that's how the thing they plan, but that's how the thing enough. A Mother's Day, so ladies, Father Alexa, watch your face. Ladies, a Mother's Day. So we have some mothers. All of the wives in them, all of the mothers, all of the girlfriends. Remember, the man them say return no. The man them say, I want to entertain the day and me. Hey ladies.
I wanna share your life.
Yes, sir. The last thing I know, sir. Yeah, man, and finally up. Yeah, man. 1 and 2, big up yourself. All of the road boy, the man and the sound man, and big up yourself. Can't call on the name. The name too no. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm in Scarlet. See? Can't play one. I find that me a play no man. Dash about 3. Father days I go dash about 2. And those out I go dash with some man. The next round a different song. See? Ladies! Ladies, sometimes it's like this. Don't get mad. Sometimes it's like this, ladies. Here's the tool expert. Wanna see them thing here? Send what them thing up on the internet. Send what them thing up on the internet. Bad sound, a bad sound. For them ladies. The man them say they want to hear the vocal side for them ladies. Then, cause some of them man you go on like them say one thing they love. Them say one thing they love more than woman and more woman. See, and the ladies, me and them, the conservative ladies them around. The conservative one them, the big woman them are working like that. There's the water days.
In your arms,
So they play big
yeah.
Yes, move. All the man knows the Almighty come first. What can I say? That's the original way. That's how the people are coming to hype up with us call for the Almighty says speed. You get it.
My enemy, falling down.
really like a part, like if you see me all love and feed my enemy, I poison. I believe that part, trust me, that's the move. All the one who go dance a long time, you have to know that one. All the one who knows that, you have to have a one beside you. We don't know if you have a lady beside you at all time, right? This is why. I don't know. Whether you have a rain or fall like it now, stop. I mean, some people are complaining. I'm going to drive down 440 when I saw some man bring Japan and eat the bridge. And I said, watch it. And we have our house and comfortable and we are far. That's the move. Question. That's the move. We can't play roll and burn and don't play this one. That's the move. Over here, that's the move. Watch the road and burn.
Why do you hide? There is somebody seeing you. Why do you hide?
That thing got you, what you can load. Listen me, I'm them call bus tune, I'm not afraid to play search tune. But you know what I like? The first time I bust that tune, and the man them take it, them just are running it like say, I feel them tune and I them originating. This is them two tune up here right now. And I'm a race them tune and I'm a bus. And everywhere I go, me hear them. And when I know some man want to play them, I put that there. No, see, I show me at that. Maybe all this them tune there. Yes, the move. Want to sing enough for salute. How many is it?
Let me be the someone very special. You come home to.
Here's my little brown, yeah.
Let
full of secrets. I ain't sure me about them.
Let me be that someone very special that you dream of. For now, I've got something to say. Yeah.
Let's see the other bird.
My world upside down. Make me wonder from time to time. Many miles from home I've grown. Oh, I just blow my mind. Sunday morning, 3:15, Dennis Brown country.
I'm going to them so soon, everyone come hear them. Salute for the to me. This is again, rock time.
Sunday morning, 3:15, Dennis Brown country. Governor and the one Hennessy. Governor General, play this for me. Blessed love to the whole of you. With them box full of with you. That they kind of reservation for you. Exclusively for me and you. You make me feel so good. You make me feel so good. You put me in that mood. I cannot help but to get to know you. You make me feel so good.
This is the rhythm I'll play now. World for Sound Man play the rhythm here. This rhythm here. And I'm play the two little regular ones. Now I'm not hear nobody I play them two.
I care for you.
Yeah.
Care for me. Girl, I will care for you. If you care for me.
And the entertainment rhythm, listen.
Care for you. If you care for me. Girl, if you care for me.
Yeah.
I will care for you. Care for you. If you care for me. Girl, if you care for me.
Think of that.
Then I will care for you.
This is a verse here.
Just so that I will let you know about the way I think of you. You're up to date and down.
Here's the trainer.
Living in a
Where is
world
it? God. What's up here?
when I thought I'd let you go. That's when I remember that I love you so. Care for you. Girl, I care for you. If you care for me, girl, I will care for you. Now how could I give my love to someone when I need nobody else?
That's the vice chancellor Leroy Simmons. Nobody not play this yet. Me alone so far.
I don't care and I don't mind.
Wow.
If you're on the love line. Now how could I give my love to someone when I need nobody else? How could I give my love to someone when I need you for?
Original stick up the original too, right?
Oh, baby, you.
Sound system is set, not the variation.
Reggae night.
I'm on.
And bring me joy till the morning light. Oh, anyway, you're scored. Got to get my things. Got to catch this ride.
Oh, my radio one.
Gotta look my best.
I don't know.
Let me my shit tonight.
Because why? What is up there?
Reggae night.
What we do?
We come together when the feeling.
Listen to the mixer, 30 view. Rest in peace, Luther Vandross. One of the best vocalists ever. The first time. Because Patrick Lexus, speak on yourself. Take up on bass. I like how that sound you play. Yeah, out the bass. Take out the bass. Let me hear the clean mix. Clean mix.
I wanna thank you, for shining your light on me.
Oh, God bless.
Give me someone who really loves me,
Acid sound.
and not just
Them try lock the gate, but them can't lock we out. Why?
you keeps me happy, so very happy.
Be advised, look at yourself.
I don't know how you be.
We don't got too long. What you got on there? Mix of it. Mix of it. Mix of it. Not be a slide. Make it up and chuckle. We're not rushing. We got you a song.
I know you come a long way, baby. Don't need that heart of stone, no. To prove that you can do it, baby. You can make it on your own,
So big about independent Jamaicans.
but you can't keep running away from love.
Big courage, me like it.
Was the first one.
Sweet and never sizzle.
No. And no others try to satisfy you, baby.
I want the song there.
Love can still be found. Looking
I want the song there. Why there?
time around.
You ready for mix again? Who do you know that group here? Who know more music? You know that group here? This is Third World. Bunny Rocks, the lead singer. You ready to be artist? Rest in peace, Bunny Rocks. We're not rushing up from here. You ready? Lyrics time now. Gosh.
I know this song was out without duration. I didn't know which way that I had to go. I saw the clues to life unanswered questions. My mind's heart had to know.
The Bunny Rocks, the master.
I heard you call while wandering through the darkness. I walked a million miles to find a endless voice that speaks to me when I am in temptation. Echo me my choice. He said, seek ye shall find.
Lyrics time now.
I've been with you through all time.
Lyrics.
Thirsting, I will quench you with my love. And if you're hungry, I will feed
You ready?
with my word.
We got you a song. Look at it. Look at that man chuckle, man. When Jerry curls in our ear, when Peter Vibes here, my ear on the end. Man and boy. You ready, baby? Something that's different in your ears here. You ready, be artist? Gosh. Big up the King Courage. Give a piece of them time. You ready again for that one there? Mix, 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 mix. Now sugar water around them. Gas. Big up to all mothers in the building. Hostage out from a country here. Because the mothers here, man, they have fun here. Because turn to me. Nourish. Gas. Ready now, say. Two more to go. You see that life? Remember when I'm full up.
This you can get. You stood right beside me. Yeah.
When I big song in America, yeah?
Yeah.
Gosh, why?
And I really love you. You should know. I'm gonna make sure I'm right, girl. Before I let go.
I think it's a mad party. Anything you do in our life, you have some people like you. You have some people that are yes man. You have some people when they dance done, and that's sound I best sound, and that's sound I best sound. That's why we can't reach nowhere with it, because we fight each other. Big up to every sound man, we bring them sound come out here. Every sound I play good. You hear that song here? We fight against each other too much. And we want someone with us. Let's slide up. Rock with your reggae music. Reggae music. Get courage. Some of them just listen to the bass. Some of them are listen to the top end. Listen to the words of that song.
No.
A Mother's Day, and to all the mothers them that's here, that's song here for you know, because we can't be no man without no woman. So we have to include the woman. You know why? Lyrics. Which man you can't baby? What is some of that song you hear? Them never invite me invite myself. Because I bring the youth in the business. We sound them acid sound from the country. So we have make ourselves be knowing. All when them invite me, we push in and make we name. Squeeze! Set it! Set it! When you want somebody, you have to work hard for it. Don't wait for nobody to give it to you. Kick up the gate and get it.
disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at